Good day, everyone, and welcome to Insights to Impact, Zoho Survey and Zoho CRM for smarter customer engagement. Thank you for taking the time to join us as we explore how businesses can transform customer feedback into meaningful actions through the seamless integration of Zoho Survey and Zoho CRM. As we all know, gathering customer insights is important, especially for businesses, but acting on them is what drives real results. So, in today's session, you'll discover how this integration could help create more efficient workflows while giving your organization or your business greater visibility into customer feedback. Joining us today is Elmer, one of our account managers here at DevTech, who will guide us through the integration process, demonstrate its key features, and share some practical ways your organization can leverage customer insights to improve engagement and business decisions. With that, let's begin. Over to you, Elmer.
Thanks, Jasper. So again, good day, everyone. So yeah, thank you for joining us today. So I hope everyone is doing well. So my name is Elmer, Don as mentioned, and I'll be your speaker for today's webinar. So we'll be discussing how Zoho Survey and Zoho CRM can work together to automate customer data collection and make managing customer information much easier. So by the end of this webinar, you will understand the different integration options, how to configure them, and how they can help improve your business processes. So let's begin. So before we learn how to set it up, let's first understand why this integration is important. So imagine you've just conducted a webinar, completed a customer service request, or hosted an event. So naturally, you'd want to gather feedback from your customers, right? So without integration, someone has to manually copy every survey response into Zoho CRM. So with the integration, this happens automatically, saving time and reducing the chance of human error. So this means your customer record stay updated, your team can respond more quickly and gain valuable insights into customer satisfaction easily. Let's start by connecting Zoho Survey with Zoho CRM so they can work together seamlessly. So the first step is connecting your Zoho survey into your Zoho CRM account. So to do this, click your profile in the upper right corner and select Manage Portal. So next, navigate to Apps and Services, then choose Zoho CRM and click Connect. You'll then be asked to select the environment you want to connect to. So if you're working in your live Zoho CRM, choose Production. If you're testing configurations before deploying them, then you can choose Sandbox. So once the connection is complete, Zoho Survey and Zoho CRM can now communicate with each other automatically, allowing survey responses to sync based on the settings you will configure next. So now let's look at the different ways survey responses can be added or updated in your CRM automatically. So our first synchronization option is add record. So in this screen, you will see the steps for setting it up. So start by going to the hub, then open integrations from the survey builder and click integrate under Zoho CRM. So next, choose whether you're connecting to your production or sandbox environment. So after that, select the CRM module where you'd like the survey responses to be stored, such as leads, contacts, or another module that fits your business process. So once you have selected your module, click Next to continue with the configuration. So this option is ideal when you want every new survey response to create a new record in Zoho CRM. So now we're on the next step of the setup. The first thing you will do is select add record as the synchronization type. So below that, you will map each survey questions to its corresponding CRM field. So for example, your survey's name field can be mapped to the CRM name field. So while email address can be mapped to the CRM email field. So once you've completed the mapping, simply click save. Then from that point onward, every new survey response will automatically create a new record in the CRM module you selected. Then let's move on the second synchronization option, the update record. So just like before, you'll begin by opening the Zoho CRM integration, selecting your environment, and choosing the CRM module you'd like to work with. So the difference here is that instead of creating a new record every time, you will be configuring Zoho to update information that's already stored in your Zoho CRM. So this option is useful when you're sending surveys to existing customers and want the records to stay updated rather than creating duplicate entries. And on this screen, you'll notice that the update record action has been selected. So just below it, you'll also see the option called pre-populate survey answers with information from Zoho CRM. When this option is enabled, Zoho automatically fills in available customer information from your CRM before the respondent starts answering the survey. So this means they only need to review the existing details and update anything that has changed. So after that, just like with the previous setup, you will map your survey fields to the corresponding CRM fields and click save. So this ensures that future survey responses update their correct CRM record while keeping customer information accurate and up to date. The third synchronization option is add or update record. So this option combines the first two synchronization methods. So instead of deciding whether to always create a new record or always update an existing one, Zoho automatically determines which action to take. So as shown on the screen, the behavior depends on how the survey is distributed. So if the survey is sent to Zoho CRM, Zoho uses the CRM's unique record ID to identify which record should be updated. On the other hand, if the survey is sent directly to respondents, Zoho uses the system-defined duplicate check field together with the unique fields you've configured. So if a matching record is found, it updates that record, and otherwise, it creates a new one. So this gives you the flexibility to work with both existing and new customers without having to manage the records manually. Now let's look at the final step of configuring the add or update record action. So just like the previous synchronization methods, you'll first choose your CR module and then select add or update record as the action type. So one feature you'll notice on this screen is the option to arrange Zoho CRM fields in order of preference. So this lets you decide which fields Zoho should check first when determining whether a matching record already exists. So for example, you might choose to check the email address first, since it's usually unique to each customer, followed by another identifier if needed. So setting this priority helps Zoho find the correct record more accurately and reduces the chances of creating duplicate entries. So once you're done with the configuration, simply save your changes and Zoho automatically follow these rules whenever a new survey response are received. So next, we will learn how to automatically assign fixed information to your CRM records without asking respondents to fill them in. So as you can see on the screen, while mapping your survey fields, you'll find another option called direct value. So instead of mapping a survey question to a CRM field, you can manually enter a fixed value that will always be sent to Zoho CRM. So for example, if every response from this survey belongs to the same campaign or should always have the same status, you don't need to ask respondents to provide the information. So if the CRM field you need doesn't exist yet, you can first create a custom field in Zoho CRM and then use it here as part of your mapping. So this helps you, standardize your records while keeping your survey shorter and easier for respondents to complete. Now that we've seen where direct values are configured, let's look at the formats that Zoho CRM accepts. So shown on the screen, different CRM fields require different types of values. So for example, checkbox fields accept true or false. Date fields use the year, months, day format. Number fields accept numeric values, and URL fields require a valid web address. So using the correct format ensures that the information is accepted and saved correctly when the survey response is synchronized with Zoho CRM. So this slide shows the result of applying a direct value inside Zoho CRM. So in the previous example, we'll look at using true to automatically enable a checkbox field. So here, we're doing the opposite by entering false, which leaves that checkbox unchecked once the survey response is synced. So the same concept applies to the other supported field types. As long as the correct value is entered during the mapping process, Zoho will automatically apply it whenever a new response is transferred into Zoho CRM. So let's see how server responses and uploaded files can be saved directly in Zoho CRM for easy access. So on this screen, you will see the attachments section within the CRM integration settings. So to automatically attach surveys response as PDF files, simply enable the checkbox under responses. So once this option is turned on, every completed survey will, automatically be saved as a PDF and attached to the corresponding CRM record. So this makes it much easier to review or share survey responses later without having to reopen the survey itself. And if your survey contains file upload or signature questions, you can also store those files directly in Zoho CRM. So as shown on the screen, simply go to the same attachment section and enable the checkbox under questions. So after enabling this option, any files uploaded by respondents, such as documents, photos, or signatures, will automatically be attached to the matching CRM record. So this keeps both the customer information and their uploaded files together in one place, make it easier for your team to access everything they need. So now that the responses are synced, let's explore how you can review and manage them inside Zoho CRM. So now that your integration is configured, the next step is to monitor how your server responses are, being synchronized here. So as shown on the screen, you can do this by navigating to CRM, the CRM sync status specifically within the CRM integration page and clicking sync status. So once selected, Zoho loads the synchronization results and groups them according to their status. So you will also be able to view responses that were, successfully synchronized. So those that haven't been processed yet and those that encountered an error during the synchronization. So this page also gives you a quick overview of how your integration is performing and helps you verify whether your survey responses are reaching Zoho CRM as expected. So this screen also shows what the synchronization results look like after clicking CRM sync status. So here, you will see a list of survey responses together with their synchronization status in Zoho CRM. So this allows you to quickly identify which responses have already been processed and which ones may still require your attention. So having this information readily inside the system available makes it much easier to monitor your integration without having to check each survey responses individually. So it's also important to monitor your integration so you can quickly see whether your data is syncing successfully. So on the screen, you will notice several synchronization status options that help you monitor the integration. So let's briefly go through what each one means. So one is the successful display all survey responses that have already been synchronized with Zoho CRM. So untried refers to responses that haven't been pushed to CRM yet. Failed list responses that couldn't be synchronized, usually because of missing information or configuration issues. And finally, if you'd like to process all pending responses again, you can simply click sync all, and Zoho will attempt to synchronize them in one go. So checking this status regularly helps ensure that your CRM always contain the latest survey data. And finally, if you no longer need to connect Zoho CRM to Zoho Survey, you can easily remove the integration whenever necessary. So if you decide to disconnect these two, removing the integration is just as simple as setting it up. So first, as shown on the screen, go to the hub, open integrations, locate Zoho CRM, and click remove integration. So the system will ask you to confirm your decision before disconnecting the two applications. So it's also important to note that removing the integration only stops future survey responses from syncing with Zoho CRM. So it does not delete any server responses or CRM records that have already been synchronized, so your existing data remains safe. And that brings us to the end of the webinar. So as you've seen throughout the demonstration, this integration helps reduce manual work, minimize errors, and ensure that your customer information stays organized and up to date. So I hope today's session has given you, a better understanding of how you can use this integration in your own organization. So thank you everyone for taking the time to join us today. Back to you, Jasper.
Thank you, Elmer, for the insightful presentation and for showing us how integrating Zoho Survey with Zoho CRM can really help organizations capture customer feedback more effectively and turn it into actionable business insights. We hope today's webinar has provided you with a better understanding of how this integration can enable your teams to make more informed decisions while delivering an improved customer experience. If you have any questions or would like to explore how this solution can be implemented within your organization, our team at DevTech would be happy to assist you. You may reach us at info@devtech.com or visit www.devtech.com to schedule a consultation or personalized demonstration. Thank you once again for joining us today. We appreciate your participation and we look forward to helping you maximize the value of your Zoho solutions. And have a wonderful day ahead. And we hope to see you at our future webinars.